Amazing All Stars. Today is Friday, May 27th. Let's find out what's on our calendar for the day. We know Tad has been jumping all over the place trying to catch that fly. Let's see what he does today. Yesterday, he did a lot of jumping. He actually ended up on the number 45. 45 is where he is starting today. But it says go back to 45 and go back to. Remember, friends, that we are actually working in our math book. Please pull this book out. It is our number corner book that has the blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. We're turning this book to page 63. Please pause the video if you need to go grab your book. Hurry back so we may continue. Now that we're on the number 45, it says go back to. 45 is right here. And if we go back 1, 2, we end up on the number 43. 43. So we are going to color in the number 43 here. I'm still trying to figure out what this is. Do you know what it is? And I'll add up here what we've done. We had the number 45. And we took away because we went back to, which gave us the number 43. But I have to tell you, All Stars, we're not finished. We will not be in school tomorrow. And I thought it would be fun if we actually found out what was on tomorrow's card. Tomorrow's a Saturday, so we're not together. Oh, wow. This one's really different. It says we're on the number 43, but Tad ends up on the number that comes after 63. 64? How did Tad do that? You could say Tad went down to 10, 20. So you could add 20, and then go over one more and add 1 to make 64. So let's do that. We'll write that out. Tad was on the number 43. He went down to, so we're going to add 20. And then he went to his right. 1, forgive me. He went to his right 1, which now makes, and I'll go back and show you. He went down 2 from 43, 10, 20, and then he went over 1, which now makes the number, let's take it a step at a time. 43 plus 20 is 63, plus 10 more makes 64. So we need to color in the number 64. Very, 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 very interesting. What we're going to do is find out on Tuesday what the special shape is. Because on Tuesday, we will have a chance to actually go through the entire calendar. So we'll have 3 cards to pull on Tuesday and find out just what this shape is supposed to be. Do you have any ideas? It will be very interesting. We'll find out together. Let's continue now by going into our days in school. We're going to add another day in school, which now makes 166 days that we've been in school together. Incredible. 166 is our number for the day. So we have 166 as a number. 166 is a number word. I like showing you these number words. You need to know how to spell them and what they look like. You have 100 plus 60 plus 6. Then we have 50 plus 50 plus 50, which is 150, plus 10, 160, plus 6, 166. We'll change things here with our coins. We have $1 in coins, which is 4 quarters, 6 dimes, and I'm going to do something a little different up here. I'll put a penny up here to make 166, but below I'll do something a little different. We have 16 dimes, which is 160. And I'm going to change it now. I'm going to make it 1 nickel, which is 5 cents, and 1 penny, which now makes 166 cents. Please pause the video if you need to look this information over to help you really understand these coins and how they are counted. Can you think of another way to make 166? I'd like you to try to think of a way to make 166. Off you go.